Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to remove white noise in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play. You can get started with the audio recorder and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how to remove white noise from our tracks. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the recording menu of any instrument, and doesn't matter, I'm just going to open up audio recorder. It's all going to open up the same menu. This is our main menu where we can get started recording by clicking the big red circle at the top of the screen and getting started. But what we want to do is go right here into the upper left corner and click on edit mode, which is going to open up this mixing mode where we can find all the tracks that we have. As you can see, we have our drums, keyboard and so on, and our audio recording. And now let's see how to remove white noise that we might be having. Basically all we have to do guys is just go right here in the upper left corner, click on the sliders button. That's going to open up the track settings right here. So you can see in the sliders we can now go ahead and scroll down until we find this option that says master effects, plugins and equalizer and so on. If you open up plugins and equalizer, you can see this is now going to open up all the plugins you have, and there is an option that says noise gate. So basically guys, you can use the noise gate option. Noise gate is going to reduce any white noise that you have in your track, so go ahead and put it to how much you want, and then you can even go ahead and play around with other options such as the track settings right here and track volume to reduce it even more to your liking. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.